Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Hampton Bay 3-light AGB indoor floor lamp, and the model number is HD2076 AGBOW. And here are the dimensions. So let's take a look inside. First you have the use and care guide. Here are the package contents, and it looks easy to put together. Here are the instructions on how to put it together, step 1, 2, and 3. How to clean, and that is it. So let's take a look inside the box, and this is what it looks like inside the box. And this is what's in the box. You have this smaller box, and then the rest here. So once you open this, the lights are on this section of the lamp, and this is the nice finish that he has. Here's the light switch. And this is the top. It's not very smooth. It does have a little bit of a rough feel here. This part right here is smooth, not this. The box that was on top are the shades. And here they are. It is glass, and it's a matte finish in the inside, and it's a shiny or satin look on the outside. So these you can probably have to take off. And this is perhaps the last step, but I'm just going to show you. These go in here, and then you have this that you're going to put back, and then you got to put the light bulb in there. This is perhaps the last step, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like now. It has a very nice finish, both of them together. And on the bottom of the box you have this, which is the bottom of the lamp. Then you have the body right here on these two, the rest of the power cord, and then this is going to your outlet. And basically all you have to do is screw this onto here, that one to the second one, and then the last one goes on the very top. And like you saw earlier, all you have to do is unscrew this, put the shades on, and that's it. So I won't bore you of doing it slowly for you. What I will do is put it together and show you once it's done. This is the bottom of the lamp. It's heavy, so it stays put. It doesn't tilt over easily, and it's big enough so it doesn't move around. So that's pretty cool. It's not adjustable, but I don't think it needs to. This has a smooth surface. So first you're gonna take this part and perhaps put the cable in there like that, and then screw this onto here. And it's nice and firm. Once you put it in there tight, it doesn't move out of its place. The next two pieces is the same way. All you have to do is put these together. Once it's tight, you can barely see the line between both posts. And then lastly, on this top one, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to grab the last piece, hide the cable in there, and screw them together. And as you can see, you can barely notice where they unite. So this is what it looks like without the shades. And there, we're done installing them. It didn't take long to do it, and there's no tools needed to do so. All I need to do is get some light bulbs. Something else that you might like is this. If you turn it on, it turns on just the one light bulb. You turn it again, it turns these two on. You turn it again, then you have all three. So I like that. And now it's completed. It was very easy to put together. No tools needed to do so. It looks great. It has a retro yet modern look. So this is going to be the lamp that I'll use to read, perhaps right behind me, so I can have plenty of light. And this is what it looks like down here. I forgot to take this off. And I like the warm white light bulbs for this type of lamp. And I really like the lamp itself. So you can have the light facing this way, but more importantly, if I'm sitting right in front of it, then the shade is gonna diffuse the light just a little bit. But I like that the shade is right here, so. And this is up close. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.